Good afternoon from the apiary. This is the end of January 2018, and what we expect to do today is to vaporize oxalic acid in only six hives. The reason we've only picked 6 is because of the virtually zero mite fall within the apiary over the winter. What is the reason for this? Could it be the extra 2 weeks we left the varroa strips in? Or is it down to just good hive management over the last year? We've got Peter and Miriam here. They're going to do the hard work and hopefully be able to follow it on this video. The tool we're using today, the Varox vaporizer, 12 volt, 150 watt output. It does the job perfectly well for us. Booklet with it, and this little cup here is where we put the oxalic acid that's going to be sublimated, vaporized.
The important thing when doing oxalic sublimation method is the safety of it, because the crystals in this form are just an irritant, but once you turn them into a gas, they can be fatally damage your lungs. So the best thing is to use a respirator type mask to the European standard of FFP 2 or 3, 2 being the minimum. You can also use the paper masks, which are to the same specification.
Right, we've got Miriam here in our PPE, our personal protective equipment, the essential requirements when using oxalic acid or sublimating oxalic acid. As you can see, there's some activity. The temperature is well above 4, that's the limit for using oxalic acid. If you notice, there's 2 sponges here used. It's so where the join in the middle can be opened up and the sublimator inserted and closed up again.
Actually, you can use up to 4 milligrams, so it doesn't have to be completely exact, because the researchers did not find any change whether you put 2.5 or 4 on, but we're being nice to the bees.
We've got Peter here inserting the sublimation device, closed up the sponges and ready to attach it to the battery. And it's closed up again. And we're connecting up the batteries here. Contact, timer on, and that cable leads right into the hive. Now here we have evidence of the smoke coming out. I'm standing downwind, I'm not putting myself in any danger. Again, plenty of evidence that the sublimator's working, battery connections are correct. Everything's okay. Timer's still running. Just checking the entrance seal here, make sure everything's okay. So number 11's connected up. Number 9's connected up, but not to the batteries yet. The measured amounts in the hot plate, ready to be supplemented. And Miriam and Peter are just getting themselves ready so they can do it in unison and on the one timer needed. Right, that's it. Contact. And the sublimation begins. It's coming up to 1 minute now since it was switched on. We should be seeing signs of the vaporization taking place. You can imagine in the hive, when it's vaporized, the hot air rises, it convects through the hive. Hopefully convects through the hive, killing as much as possible. Now we see number 11. There's slight smoke coming from number 11. Now once the 2 minutes is up, the sublimator will be removed, sponges closed up, and a further length of time given.
That 2 minutes.
So the battery's been now disconnected. As you can see here, number 11 is smoking lovely. And plenty of smoke coming out hive 9.